What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to swap a jersey number in Photoshop. For this video, I'm going to swap Shador Sanders from number 12 to number 2. After you bring in the photo into Photoshop, what you'll want to do is click on the lasso tool, go to the original numbers, click and drag an outline around the original numbers. Then you can either do generative fill or remove. Click generate and let Firefly do its thing. I generally like using generative fill instead of remove because it gives you a little bit more options in terms of what you're able to replace those numbers with, and it gives you a little bit more of like a seamless replacement, in my opinion, compared to remove. And then what you want to do is find replacement number 2. For this Shador example, I could use the 2 in his original number 12, but for this video, I'm going to pretend I can't and find a different 2. As you're looking for the replacement number, what you'll want to do is find one that's in the same colorway, same jersey as the original photo, as well as in a similar position to the original photo. Here's a good one. We'll just use this. Bring the new one into Photoshop and then use this rectangle select tool to just select around. We're going to click here on the layer mask button and cut it out. And then you're going to copy and paste on here. What I like to do is then convert to a smart object so you can scale it without losing the quality. As you're scaling the new number up, make sure you compare the original number to make sure the sizing is correct. That looks pretty good. So then what we'll do is add a layer mask to the smart object. Go to the brush tool, make sure the hardness is at 0. We're just gonna brush the borders out. Duplicate the generative fill layer, bring it above the new number and clip it to the new number. Then we're going to change the blending mode to multiply. And that'll help get you those seamless jersey wrinkles and make sure everything looks a little bit more clean, as well as matching the colors from the new number to the original jersey. And that's how you swap a jersey number. If you thought this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what else you'd like to learn. See you next time.